Hello dear users, welcome to this Firo node tutorial on Higlan. The first thing we need to do here on Higlan, check if you already have some balance to cover the monthly fee. You can add funds using any payment method you want here on the Add Funds page. Then the next step is, you have to order your Firo node. So let's deploy a node, and for this demonstration, I'm going to deploy only one node for 1 month. So you have to check your order and then confirm it. After you confirm your order, your node is going to be mounted on Higlan servers. Now we have to wait a few minutes for that. So while we are waiting for the node to be mounted, let's create in our Firo Qt wallet the data for our node. The first data you have to create is the Firo node's collateral, which will require 1000 Firo. To create your collateral, you have to go to the receive page and make sure you create a new transparent address. This is the address we're going to use to create our collateral. So copy the address, go to the Send tab, make sure you are using the transparent balance, not the private balance, okay? Use the transparent balance and paste the address and choose 1000 Firo. And create the transaction. After you create your transaction, we have to wait a few confirmations. Now let's get the collateral. Go to the debug window and type the command evos node outputs. Now, that will be the collateral for your node. After your transaction has at least one confirmation, you can go to the next step. Let's use the output on the TXID field, so copy the transaction ID and go to the Higlan website. Here, as you can see, the node is already mounted, so let's click on Show Data and paste the TXID. Now we have to create the owner address, and the owner address has to be created in the same wallet that holds the collateral. So let's go to the Firo Qt wallet again. Let's go to the Receive tab, and let's create a new transparent address. Copy this address, and let's use it on the Higlan website. Now we have to create the payout address. This address has to have a small amount of Firo to cover the transaction fee. We can use this command list address balances on the Firo Qt wallet to figure out an address with funds. If you don't have any address with funds, you can just create a new transparent address and send some Firo to it. For example, 1 Firo. Here in my case, I can use any address with funds. So let's use this address with funds on the Higlan website as the payout address. And now let's create our activation command. The command is successfully created, so let's copy the command and let's go again to the Qt wallet. And now we will run the activation command and we should get a transaction ID. As you can see, we got the transaction ID. Once this transaction has one confirmation, our node is going to be activated on Higlan servers and it will start participating in the network to receive rewards. Okay, now, as you can see, the transaction already has one confirmation. And after the transaction has one confirmation, the node is going to be activated on the Higlan dashboard. The node is already activated. And now, as your node is already activated, you will receive rewards in your Firo wallet. So that's it, people. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now enjoy your rewards. Higlan, the easiest and most profitable platform to make your nodes work for you. Thanks for watching.